Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to change the display picture on your profile on Microsoft Teams using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. This can be for work, school or business. We also need to have access to the desktop application. We can now start this tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to Mac Office, go to Microsoft Teams. As we did sign out in the last tutorial, let's now sign back into the account. admin@ComputerScienceVideos.com. Enter. Now enter the password. As we already have it saved in memory, we can now press Command and V to paste. Let's now click on sign in. Let that load into the application. And now let's go to the right top corner. Click on this section here where when we hover over it, we have an icon of a camera. So this will allow us to change the profile picture. Let's click on upload picture. Let's navigate to the area that has the business logo in. So we can go to documents, go to YouTube channel, and the logo should be around here somewhere. Let's just navigate to YouTube icon.jpg. Click on this, click on open. Yes, we can remove the photo if we require to. We can close, this will cancel, or we can save to move on to the next stage. And there we go. So let's close. And now we have my logo for Computer Science Videos added to the admin account. So we can change this in the near future as this is the admin account. I would preferably want this on my main account. We'll just have to make that decision in the near future. So we can now quit Microsoft Teams. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.